to reset the oil maintenance light on this is a 2011 Toyota Corolla Verso. Switch the car on till it's in the ignition position without turning on the engine, and you press this button here. Press this button here till you get to trip A. There. Then you turn the car off, completely off. Then you hold down button A here. Turn the key. Resetting oil maintenance data. Wait for the zeros. It should be zeros, yeah. And then that's it. All done. You can turn the car off again. It's all done. There you go. Not coming up now.